And
And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to Lunch Lady. Welcome back, I should say, but it's been a long time coming. Long time. But we got a new map. It's called the Hibachi's High School. The Hibachi High School. And I guess they're learning about how to do hibachis and, yeah.
how to do hibachis. How to do hibachis. Alright,
Whatever you say. Yeah, whatever you say. Yeah, today I'm playing as Mr. Clean. No, not Mr. Clean. Vin Diesel before Fast and Furious.
Yup, and I'm Miles Morales if
he's this guy? Yeah, this is Miles Morales.
Nah, he twigged. So he didn't transform into a spider in this universe.
This is Everybody Hates Chris. Stupid ass. But today we're gonna be playing a new map. That's about it. I mean, there's nothing to it. Lunch Lady kind of died for a long time. I haven't played this game in fucking months.
Not a minute, yeah. But we back.
Yeah, subscribe to my socials down below, and let's just get straight into it.
Okay. Well, goddamn it, you're a cunt because you give me no warning. So, goddamn it, I can't use it.
Yeah, I know it's the best.
No, it's not the best, because then we have to waste more time. I would have used yours. Yours is fine.
Oh, really? I don't know if you want to use mine or not.
Yo, good morning. It's Samo here, and welcome back to Lunch Lady, man. We're here with the boy Bimbo.
Yeah, I kind of farted in your mic, by the way.
It didn't go through, so
that's
as far
a shame.
as they're concerned, it didn't.
That's a shame.
Didn't happen.
Well, you'll see my on my screen because I have the webcam. You just see me stick my ass
on. Ass in your face?
Yeah, I just put the stick. You just see me stick the fucking camera.
That's
kind of
sussy. That's kind of sussy. Hold up, come back here.
This is better graphics now.
Why are you formed like that,
bro? Your lips are huge.
Nah, walk again for me, bro. Why do you walk like that, bro? Nah, watch that when it comes out, bro. You're ugly as shit.
Wait, I want to see you walk. Walk.
Alright.
Why do you look like you're trying to? Why do you look like you have an
you're
arch?
You're all hunched.
Yeah. Right? Why do you have an? Yeah. Why do you have an arch?
Bro, you're arching too, bro.
Yeah,
I don't know why you're all crippled and shit.
Why you looking like the Scooby Doo gang, bro?
Bro, why does it look like we have ankylosing spondylitis, bro? For real. Why is our spine just misplaced and shit? The fuck? That's gonna be tough when we're 40, bro. We're gonna be fucking damn near crippled.
Damn, bro. Yeah, when we're 40, we're gonna be looking over people's shoulders like a pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl mixed with a T-Rex. T-Rectodactyl.
We just got done. Well, I was about to say we just got done playing Paranormal Cleanup, but that was a while ago.
Yeah, we definitely did not just get done playing jack shit.
Oh, there's definitely some in here.
First game on anything.
Let's see if we get this dub, though, bro.
This is definitely where the Lunch Lady begins.
Probably. But I remember that ugly-ass egg-looking thing, that shit always has something in it. Or always has something near it. But in this case, we'll go fuck ourselves in this case. Hey, I see you.
I know where the hallway key is. Come here.
Hold up. Go in the boys' bathroom and pick up a med pack, dummy.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Alright. I'm gonna save your life.
Whoa.
Right.
What was this class learning about?
Shameless plug-in, shameless
plug-in. Oh, damn. Look at that. It's definitely not the unsubscribe button.
Hey. We interrupt this broadcast for something more important. Subscribe to Samo, bitch! Alright, bro. It's over. Alright. Oh, shit. I think the...
Oh, God, I hear her! I heard her. Damn, Big Sam having it.
We don't know who that is.
Oh.
Where's the bitch? I hear her. Holy fuck!
Oh.
Nah, that was a jump scare and a half, bro. I heard her. I'm like, where is she coming from? I could heal myself, though. Damn, she is as big-bodied as I remember, bitch. God damn. Thyroid cancer patient, boy. God damn. Oh, look at her. Look at them kinkles, bitch.
Damn. Big belly ho! Big belly ho! Get the fuck out of the way, bitch!
Oh my God, she threw a pan at you, bitch. God damn.
This bitch look like Big Country.
Big Country. Alright, bro. God damn, bro. Or Kinkles take up the whole fucking timeline, bro, for real. Taking up the whole fucking year, bro. Big ass bitch. Alright, bro, how have we only found one, bro? This is kind of pissing me off. What's up? Get choked! What the fuck?
You got slapped up.
I got folded, bro. I'm in the same place that we were.
Oh god damn it.
You didn't just die, did you?
The ankle was gonna be broke, bitch. Oh no, she got me.
Nice. I definitely don't drop, bro, because I'm checking where I died, bro. Whoa, what the fuck? Wait, all my shit's gone. Hold up. My HUD's gone. Why is my HUD gone? Alright, bro. I probably have it. It's just, I can't even see the notes we have and shit. Just die, bro. It's over.
What's
God
wrong?
damn, dude.
Can't get
I see
in
the
here?
veins.
You can't get in this bitch, you big belly hoe?
Oh, goddamn, she glitched through. Why'd she stop him?
No.
What?
Does she have dementia too with all the fucking weight she gained?
What the fuck?
She's literally standing right there.
She ran away like she like a
She
dementia,
ran away like she
David.
was running from me.
Maybe we can grab a tea or something.
No.
Nothing like that, you fucking weirdo. What romantic motherfucker grabs a tea nowadays?
That's some really stupid shit.
What do you mean? I found the fucking vagina egg again.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was it nice and juicy?
It's a wide fucking vagina. It's even moving, bro. It has like snakes in it and shit.
No, some Medusa puss.
Yep. Forest puss. You gotta love it.
Vegetables?
Oh, yeah. Okay, keep it up, bro. Alright, bro. Where'd you go?
I'm just running around. Fuck this shit. I'm not giving lunch lady time to breathe.
I hear the cunt.
Does she sound happy?
No. She certainly does not. She sounds fucking pissed. She's like gurgling at me and shit. Alright, bro, we're kind of going crazy.
Yeah, we're kind of going mad.
Do you have a med pack or no?
Yep.
Oh my god! Fuck! Dude, the sounds are fucked up, bro. Leave, you fat kinkled bitch! Go eat another McChicken, you fat fuck. Alright, that was a little mean. Leave, you thyroid patient! God damn. That tumor ain't benign, bro. That tumor is fucking malignant. Malignant. Malignant, yeah. Fucking hell, bro. Malignant. Fucking hell, man. I bet that bitch is coming for me. Where's that fat kinkle bitch?
I don't know. I ran.
Shit, I'm dead.
Again?
That's very fair, bro. I'm stuck in a closet. What can I do?
Do you have
Pause. I have a med
kit?
pack. Yeah, but like, bro, what can I do against that? I'm stuck in a fucking door. Oh, great. I'm stuck in the fucking closet now. Pause again.
I'm in the closet.
Bitch, that's why. That's why you're a lunch lady. Because you're not smart enough to be a teacher. So you're pissed and you take it out on the students. You fat fuck. God damn.
Oh god damn
This
it,
is
you
the
fat
only
beluga
power
bitch.
she feels. Quite literally, this is the only power she feels, so she has to fucking take it out on the fucking kids. Fat bitch.
Damn.
Oh. Down. You have a
Yeah.
med pack, right?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for her to leave. Damn, I can almost see her asshole.
Wait, that's awesome. When you're down, shit's highlighted for me like the med pack.
Where the fuck do I go?
Get absolutely fucking Antonio Brown, bitch. You just got fucking destroyed. Le'Veon Bell on the hoe, for real.
Le'Veon Bell?
Yeah, bro. Levon. I don't know. Fuck, bro. Oh, shit! I thought she left! Like, go get your burger, you bitch! Like, why is she still chasing me? Alright, King Cool bitch is running away, I repeat. She's going downstairs, I repeat. Yep, that's Latin. She's by me, though. She's on me. Oh.
Yeah, she got me.
I just seen her whack the fuck out of you.
Damn.
She just looked at you like, bitch.
She's back.
Bro, you're kind of thick, bro. Who the
Wrist.
fuck is Wrist? Who the fuck are you? How is my man gonna join, like, when we're almost done? That's not fair.
What the fuck?
Okay, so you're just doing a push-up pretty much, like, slowly, and that's how you heal. Oh my god, 2 people are here.
Wrist and who?
Who the fuck are these people?
What are you
I only
talking
saw the
about?
one person join. What the fuck?
Wrist and who?
I don't know. I don't know what the second dude's name is, but a second dude is here. Wrist is gonna revive me. Let's go. Wait, this is a friendship test.
What's up, guys? Pots. Oh. Damn it. Fat ass cankles. Look like a fucking bratwurst.
This guy's gonna revive me. These guys are homies. Thanks, Potts. I smoke you every day.
I smoke every day.
That's kind of mean. Oh my god! Stop! Why is she going for me?
Yeah, she really likes you.
I don't want your fucking burger, bitch. Eat it your damn self. You probably already did. I'm pissed, bro. Dude, everyone punches their back over like an ugly fuck. I don't know why they do that.
Like the Scooby-Doo gang.
How did these motherfuckers join, bro? That's what I want.
I don't know.
Piss me the fuck off, bro. Oh my god! So what the fuck happens now then? We forfeit?
I heard a car start.
Well, that ain't possible. We didn't finish what we were set out to do. What the fuck is going on? Are you crawling?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Well, that's very fucking fair.
Oh.
Thanks.
Alright.
You got one more attempt. I got one more attempt, bro. Fuck this shit. Shit's annoying. You just closed it behind me, you fucking cunt stain.
Good.
Yeah, that's a bitch.
Good. There's only one in each room.
Bitch, if you were on fire, I wouldn't piss on you, bitch.
If you got stung by a jellyfish, I would shit on the sting.
If you were in a room with Hitler and I had a gun, I'd shoot you instead. No, I've been understood it, but it was with full intent. Alright, bitch. What is going on, bro?
I'm on God mode today.
That'd be a first. Yeah, this map is fucked. I know what hallway is. Come here, come here, come here. It's down here. Oh, and you fucked off. What the fuck are you doing?
Getting killed?
Follow me! I said follow me!
Yeah, and I tried and I died.
Good.
Well. Kind of a dead end out here.
Oh yeah, well she coming. Whoa! Get you, bitch. Dude, you are so ugly running next to me, bro. Like, if you were my friend in public, I'd push you aside and run away. Like, I wouldn't know who you are, bro. You are so fucking ugly. I usually say, like, I don't encourage bullying, but in this special instance...
Who's this guy?
Yeah, he's ugly, too.
Oh.
Shit. Fuck off!
He said fuck off.
Dude, this ain't even... And he leaves, and they leave. That's the best part.
No.
They join, they fuck up the game, and then they leave. They fuck off. What the fuck is the point then? Why do you join? I don't see shit.
Oh, I'm dead as fuck.
You have a med pack?
I have one.
Oh, good. Oh my god. She's right on me. Oh my god. Both hit the jukes on her. How? God damn this big belly bitch. You're a dumbass. You're a fucking
I did not mean to do that.
You almost just killed both of us. Bitch! Get blocked.
Tell them I can't ride the show if they don't let them.
Oh, she got
Alright, fuck
you.
this game. I don't care. It's over, boys. I don't care. We didn't get the dub for you.
Oh, we got
Too
another
bad.
guy. We got another guy. We have hope. We have hope.
Alright, let's see what he does.
Don't get your cock out of my face and just get me the fuck up.
I'm holding E. How do I revive?
Left click, I think, or right click. There you go. Yeah,
Alright, bro. Revived 3 other players. I got an achievement. Damn, dude, I see that Kinkle bitch chasing you.
All right,
You just got up. She's throwing shit at you. I hear it from down here. The first one I've been in. The first story one I've been in. Like with the vagina spider, with the vagina egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've definitely been there. I've been there multiple times. I just truly do not know. Once we find the C, bro, we're done. I was about to say pause, but it's not really, so. Oh, shit. Found the key. Okay. We just gotta out-juke her one more time. Bitch, get you. Get outplayed. Fat tinkle bitch. Go get a McChicken.
Her ass said, "They're that close. Let me throw something real quick."
Right, like, bro, you had a better chance charging with the McChicken charge. Like, what are you doing? Yeah, this is a serious problem.
What?
Because I'm re-exploring everything, but I explored hallway C to completion. Oh, okay. We're leaving. Oh, there's Kinkle. Alright, I'm gonna do the wraparound. Come here, bitch. Yup. I don't want your sloppy Joe, bitch.
Let me get outside. I just want to see out the outside again. I've been laying on this greasy ass, dirty ass, nasty ass floor with this big ass kinkled bitch.
What he said and shit, man. This fat fuck. Wait, can you not leave until I do?
Yeah.
That's funny. Come here, bitch.
Disappeared?
She just vanished in front of my eyes.
Like she was never there in the first place.
Yup, she's just getting a McChicken. That's all she's doing.
She teleported to McDonald's.
That was not as long as I thought. That felt way longer, bro.
That was definitely longer. That was we've been
That's
recording
normal.
for an hour.
That's normal, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's what that is.
Oh, that scared me.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode on Lunch Lady. We got the dub for you. Go follow my socials down below. You would have known I've been at Summer Smash, not recording and posting and doing that lovely shit. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Lunch Lady. If you did, leave a like, and just in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.